Hello world! Yes, today I'm going to share another mindfulness practice. This is the bathroom ritual. Yes. So by paying more attention to the actions you take, you return to the present moment with focus and gratitude rather than letting random thoughts dictate your way. Maganda yun, ano? So sabi lang, bakit naman po bathroom ritual? So, yung mga ginagawa natin everyday, yan ay pwede natin gamitin to become a very mindful person. So, number 1 nga is yung bathroom ritual. So, ngayong araw na to, we are sharing the bathroom ritual. Pagka naliligo, o diba, fresh na fresh yan. So, transform your morning bathroom routine into a mindfulness practice by being fully present with each activity. Whether it's brushing your teeth, ayan, pagsipilyo natin, washing your face, ayan, or grooming, or nag-aayos tayo ng ating mga sarili, papasok sa ating mga trabaho. So, focus on the sensations, smells, and sounds. Kaya nga, di ba kalimitan, gustong-gusto natin yung amoy ng sabon na kinukuskus natin sa ating katawan. So, ayan. So, kailangan mag-focus tayo doon sa sensations na iyon. Yung pang-amoy natin, tas yung sounds na ng shower or ng tubig na binubuhos natin sa ating katawan. Okay, so this allows everyday tasks to become moment of mindfulness. So, pwede pala yun na kahit tayo ay naliligo or nasa palikuran, ay magiging mindful tayo. So, this grounds you in the present moment, fostering a sense of calm and clarity as you begin your day. Kaya nga sabi nila, di ba, pagka umaga, talagang ligo talaga ginagawa natin para magigising ang ating mga diwa. So, gamitin natin itong bathroom ritual para tayo ay maging mindful. Ayan, so maganda yung ating araw. And another one is smile in the mirror. Ayan, so hindi naman yung dahil ngayon ay November, talagang pag humarap daw sa salamin, baka kung ano makita. So, i-practice natin yun. Smile in the mirror. Ayan, kung ayaw nyo ng mga salamin kasi maraming mga bahay or mga nagpa-practice na hindi sila naglalagay ng mirror sa bahay nila. You know, some feng shui. Ayan. Pero ito, magandang practice ito, yung nag-i-smile ka sa mirror. Kung wala kang mirror, yung phone mo, ayan, iharap mo dun sa may camera at kausapin mo yung sarili mo or humarap ka. So, smile in the mirror. Smiling slows the heart, relaxes the body, and release endorphins that reduce stress hormones, making you feel lighter and more positive. Okay ba? Smile, di ba? Smile. Malaki ang nagagawa ng pagngiti sa umaga pa lang. Yan, paggising natin, ano? So, first thing and foremost, talagang grateful ka. Tapos, smile ka. Ayan. Stand in front of the mirror and give yourself a genuine smile. Wag lang yung napipilitan ka. So, kailangan talagang, sobrang happy ng iyong nararamdaman. Ayan. As you do notice how this small act changes our mood and energy in the morning or paggising natin. Feel the warmth of your smile and the positive energy it brings. Smiling can uplift your spirit and set a bright, optimistic tone of your day, connecting you with your inner joy. So, napakagandang practice niya, no? Smile in the mirror. Kausapin mo yung sarili mo. Ano bang gusto mong ma-achieve ngayon? So, it depends on how you start your day. Apart from, when we wake up in the morning, nagpipray tayo. So, smile is another thing para maging mindful tayo. Again, yung simpleng pag-smile natin sa harap ng camera ay nagre-release yan ng napakagandang positivity sa ating katawan, sa ating sarili, sa ating mind. So, it's part of mindfulness. And also, I want to share, since it's morning meditation gawin natin. So, nung nakaraan, nagawa tayo ng mga bathroom meditation or shower meditation. So, ngayon, morning meditation. Taking just 10 minutes a day to meditate strengthens your mind, supporting all your other mindfulness habits. Meditation is like strength training for your mental clarity and focus. Yan. Ang gagawin mo, find a quiet space to sit comfortably. Hoy, wala po kaming upuan. Posible naman wala tayong sa gilid ng kama pagbangon mo. Ayan. Umupo ka muna dun sa isang sulok. And then close your eyes and focus on your breath. Ayan. Sa paghinga mo, no, focus ka. Letting your mind settle. Ayan. If your thoughts wander, gently guide your attention back to your breath without judgment. This simple practice helps you clear your mind, cultivate your inner peace, and set focus tone for the day ahead. So yan, another mindful practice yan sa umaga na ginagawa natin, ano? So, meron tayo yung bathroom ritual, meron din tayong smile in the mirror, and morning meditation. Bakit po ito ginagawa natin? No, ako personally, kasi nagbibigay ito ng positive outlook sa ating kaharaping busy day. So, i-practice po natin to, makakatulong to sa ating mental health. Ayan. So, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And today is November 4, 2015. Have a blessed day, everybody. Smile!